Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hyundai Tucson, it could be practically any generation, any year Hyundai Tucson. And if your AC compressor doesn't work, we will explain the top 5 things that can cause that. Stay with us and we'll explain the most common ones and some that most people never even think about that. So all that will be covered in this video today. So let me introduce you to the channel quick, guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another thing, if you need to buy tools or parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, you can check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our supplies and tools from. So this engine, guys, right here, we pulled it out of a Hyundai Tucson, transmission, engine, cooling system, AC system, everything all together, so we can explain what we have specifically here. So if you look, guys, this is the AC compressor. Those are the AC lines that go to the evaporator in the dash. That's the one that actually gets cold and the fan blows that cold and you get AC. So number one thing, guys, okay, that causes AC not to work will be you have Freon leak or you don't have enough Freon. So you can get a gauge, okay, we're going to show you in just a second, guys. You can get a gauge, okay, plug it in, okay, and check your pressure to make sure that you have pressure, okay. And we'll have a special video that explains how to recharge Hyundai AC system as well. For instance, that's the gauge, okay, you just plug it in, okay, turn the AC on and see what it says here, okay. You can see if you have, okay, pressure or no. If you have no pressure, if it's not, if it's way below the green, okay, that's why it's not working. Let's say that gauge actually, guys, okay, is in the red. Okay, what that means. Number 2, guys, okay, it could be multiple things. Number 2, it could be overfilled system that can cause that, because if you have too much pressure, that's the AC pressure switch that detects if you have enough AC pressure, but make sure it's not too high as well. So that way, okay, it tells the engine computer if it's safe to turn the AC compressor on. But if the gauge is in the red, okay, it could mean that either your AC system is overfilled or the AC compressor is, okay, not activating. Okay, and that can be caused by multiple things, because when you turn your AC off, it will stay in the red. That's almost every time, guys. So what can cause the AC compressor not to turn on? Okay, first we talk about low Freon or too much Freon. Number 3, guys, bad AC compressor itself. Now, most of the times those compressors don't go bad. It's either a bad clutch or this is a clutchless compressor. It's a AC compressor valve. That's what they started using in most newer vehicles, and we'll have a special video on the channel, okay, how to replace AC compressor valve and how to test AC compressor valve on a Hyundai, so check it out, it will teach you all that. If the compressor is not building enough pressure or it's locked up, that can cause that as well. Something else, guys, radiator fan. If the fan doesn't work, guys, okay, your AC probably will not work as well, because the engine computer will turn the AC off, so that way your car, okay, does not overheat, because when the AC runs, the condenser gets hot, which is in front of the radiator, and the radiator will get warm air and your car can easily overheat. So if the fan doesn't work, the AC will not work. Now let's talk about that. What can cause the fan not to work? It could be bad fan. We have a special video actually that explains that, the top reasons why a fan does not work. But it could be bad fan, fuses, relays, resistor and all that stuff. Now, also you need to check, okay, you need to check the fuse for the AC compressor and the relay for the AC compressor, because you have fuse and relays that control the AC compressor, and if one of those is bad, that will deactivate it. But those are, guys, some of the most common ones that we see. Another thing that you can experience once in a while is a bad AC switch. Okay, that AC switch, if it's not working, your AC will not work, because it doesn't know how much pressure you have in the system. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.